as I began sharing my work of all sorts, one of the examples I remember happening over and over again is coming off of a stage after doing, slam poetry or some performance, some spoken word performance. And women, especially, coming up to me and saying, oh, I wish I could do that. I don't have a creative bone in my body. But you could see that they had this desire. I could see it in their whole posture and body language. They want to create. And I think that we all absolutely are creative. I think that our culture, in large part, discourages that. And so most of us have been indoctrinated or, sort of numbed to that creativity, because instead we are really tuned into this busyness and this productivity culture, which I'm not immune to. I have a job. It's very much, deliverable based, and I understand how that works. But even my day job, I can bring creativity into that. I can think really hard about how I respond to someone, or how have we solved this problem in the past, and let me take a step back and think of something really unexpected as a starting point here for brainstorming. And I teach an 8-week workshop, it's about creativity, but it's really about using your whole life as your creative platform. So right in line with the remark that you made, I think that we can get up every single day, and creativity doesn't just mean putting some paint on a canvas or writing poetry. It can be really taking walks and just being more curious about the world, and then using those experiences to inform our thinking. Because to me, that's the huge impact from creativity. It's opening up your mind and changing the way that you experience the world and the way that you help others experience the world. To me, that's the magic of creativity. So I think we all have that.